Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how I make a bird. I take a piece of foil, make it into a shape of a bird, and I wrap it with masking tape. I take a piece of fabric, the length of the bird, both ways, both sides, and now I'm in the process of putting the fabric on the bird. Sweet Holy Spirit, help me to obey. Rule and reign in my heart today. Turn me away from my sin. Now I make his eyes out of clay and his beak out of clay. Suffered and died for me. He paid an awful price at Calvary. I've broken your law. Now his tail is made out of this yarn that I got at Walmart. I put a piece of paper on the back of it to keep it from spreading apart. You're watching over me from the grave somewhere. And this is his wing made the same way. Now I've got 2 wings on. I'm ready to put on the tail feathers and the one wing. Lord, I thank you for your mercy for me. You saw my broken spirit and fixed it for me. You gave me your love, Lord, and wiped my sins away. I want to thank you for saving my soul today. You gave me your love, Lord, and wiped my sins away. I thank you, Lord, for saving my soul today. Here are the birds I made. This is my pretty blue one. He's got the yarn feathers. And here's my red bird. And here's my pretty brown one. Thanks for watching.